country. I am 84 years old and everyone wants to take a picture with me.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg, or say Notorious RBG, a lady who put women on exactly the same plane as men, a tireless and a resolute champion of justice. She was a Brooklynite born, a first generation woman on father's side and a second from her mother's.
The days when I went to law school, my entering class at Harvard was over 500 students. Only 9 were women. No anti-discrimination law, so employers were totally upfront in saying, we don't want any lady lawyers here.
Justice Ginsburg was a Supreme Court justice, the second woman to be appointed to that position. She had the kind of quiet magnetism, even though she was not effusive. Her mother died at the age of 17. She had 2 lessons which she always kept in mind and repeated again and again. First, be a lady, and second, be independent. She always told her granddaughter that the way to win an argument is not to yell, because often that will turn people away, rather bringing on your table.
I, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, do solemnly swear
I, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, do solemnly swear
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States
against
Her first argument before the US Supreme Court was the case of Frontiero versus Richardson. She won 5 cases out of 6 before the Supreme Court of United States. In 1980, President Jimmy Carter appointed her to become a federal judge, and that in 1993, President Clinton made her second female justice to sit in the court.
No law firm in the city of New York will hire me. I end up teaching. As I said before, they gave me time to devote to the movement.
Justice Ginsburg dedicated her life to promoting gender equality and defending the rights of all people. She was an inspiration to many, from fighting not just for the women left behind but for the men who were discriminated against, as well as to giving her majority opinion in the Virginia Military Institute case. She left an incredible legacy for women and young girls. Speaking at a prestigious law event at Stanford University in 2012, Ginsburg was asked how she would like to be remembered in 100 years' time. That I was a judge who worked as hard as she could to the best of her ability to do the right, she replied. Thank you so much, Justice Ginsburg. But the question is, when will India get its own RBG?